Concerns are mounting over a disturbing increase in suicide cases in Siaya County. The region's police commander Michael Mushiri reveals that from September last year, 39 suicide cases have been reported, including 4 children aged between 8 and 12 years old.
One, we look at drugs and substance abuse and societal or family disputes, particularly in relation to land.
Most of the times, if one person commits suicide, you realize that the whole community or the whole family of that person ends up being stigmatized, which might also lead to another person also committing suicide from that family.
While the link between suicide attempts and mental disorders, particularly depression and alcohol use, is well established, many suicides occur impulsively during moments of crisis.
It's viewed as something evil, which is not the case. So one of the things that we can do is to start talking about the cases, we start normalizing those conversations about suicide, because suicide is happening amongst us.
The 2022 Kenya Demographic and Health Survey report indicates that 4% of women aged 15 to 49 have been diagnosed with depression or anxiety by a healthcare worker, with only 27% receiving medication. For men in the same age group, 3% have received such a diagnosis, with 21% receiving medication.
Most of the times, getting treatment, even for depression, is very difficult, and even just being able to be diagnosed that this is the problem and you need this treatment, it's really, really difficult.
Globally, suicide remains a critical issue, with an estimated 700,000 suicides occurring each year. 77% of global suicides occur in low and middle income countries, underscoring the need for focused efforts to address the mental health issues and suicide prevention in these regions. For years now, mental health activists have called for decriminalization of suicide attempts in Kenya. Attempted suicide is categorized as a misdemeanor punishable by 2 years imprisonment, a fine, or both, as stipulated in Section 36 of the Penal Code. Ben Kirera, K24, Nairobi.